Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at how to change our passwords on Pinterest. Now, maybe you've forgotten your password or you just want to change it. Or how do you do it? It's quite simple. From the home page of your Pinterest account, you click on your profile picture at the top right corner, click on view profile, click on edit profile, and then click on account management on the left side menu here. From the left side menu, click on account management, and then you can see password. Then you can add password or change it. So let's change it. So from here it seems we don't have a password before, but in case you did, just put in the new password. Let's put the password. Let's say okay, this is the new password. Alright, and click on change. This is the new password. We have to type it again. And it must match. Alright, then click on save. It's as simple as that. Your password has been changed successfully. So that's it. That is how to change password or how to change password on Pinterest. Now I've noticed that I didn't have a password before, so it's like changing or adding a password on Pinterest. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.